When it comes to writing and communication, the power of AI depends entirely on how effectively you prompt it. A well-crafted prompt can help you create blog posts, essays, scripts, emails, or marketing content that sound natural, clear, and engaging. The goal is not to make the AI do the work for you, but to collaborate with it, turning your ideas into polished words. The first step in building effective prompts for writing is clarity. Start by telling the AI exactly what type of writing you need. For example, instead of saying, "Write something about teamwork," try, "Write a 200-word motivational article about teamwork in remote companies." The more specific you are, the more focused and useful the result will be. Next, define the tone and style. Do you want the writing to sound professional, conversational, or inspiring? The tone shapes how your audience feels when they read it. For instance, a friendly tone is perfect for blog posts, while a formal tone fits academic or business writing. You can simply add a direction like, "Write this in a friendly, approachable tone." Another powerful technique is role-based prompting. Ask the AI to take on a persona that fits your goal. For example, act as a content strategist, or you are a copywriter for a health brand. This helps the AI adjust vocabulary, rhythm, and structure to match the mindset of an expert in that field. Context is equally important. Provide background or explain your goal before making a request. Instead of write an introduction, say, "We're creating a course on creativity." Write an engaging introduction that motivates students to believe they can become more creative. Giving context helps the AI connect ideas and create content that feels intentional. For longer projects like blog posts or essays, use step-by-step prompts. You can start by asking the AI to outline key sections first, then expand each one separately. This method keeps the structure logical and the tone consistent. For example, first, create an outline for a blog post about time management. Then write the introduction. This approach mirrors how professional writers build content, piece by piece. Examples are another secret weapon. If you show the AI what kind of output you like, it will learn your preferences. You might say, "Here's an example of a social media caption I like. Progress, not perfection." Now write 3 more in a similar tone. The AI learns patterns and adapts instantly. Don't forget to include constraints like length, audience, or format. Prompts such as, "Write a 300-word article for busy entrepreneurs," or "Summarize this report in 1 paragraph for a non-technical audience," help shape the final product to fit your needs. Constraints make your prompt sharper, not more restrictive. Once you get a response, refine your prompt. If the writing sounds off, guide the AI to improve it. Make this sound more confident, or simplify the language for beginners. This feedback loop transforms average results into professional quality writing. Effective prompts for communication go beyond just text. They capture your voice. When writing an email, for example, specify the goal and tone. Write a short, friendly email inviting my team to a brainstorming session next week. The AI will handle phrasing while you focus on ideas. Finally, remember that great communication is a partnership between you and the AI. It brings structure and speed, but your intent brings authenticity. When you combine both, the result is content that connects, informs, and inspires. In summary, effective writing prompts include 5 ingredients: clarity, tone, context, structure, and iteration. Master these, and you'll unlock the full creative power of AI to communicate ideas that truly resonate.